We made some good progress on the construction and are getting the roof panels installed, which is important because once those are in place, then we can proceed with the construction underneath. However, the last 9 days, we've seen 8¼ inches of precipitation preceding this windstorm. Rain coupled with the wind was a recipe for disaster. I got a text from my neighbor at about 5 in the morning, and this is what he sent to me, the video of the tree coming down on his place. So when daylight came up, I looked through our cameras. This is what I could see from our pump house cameras. The trees over by our RV had toppled eastward. So Mac went over later on and took pictures and forwarded those to me. As you can see, it went across the driveway and landed on our contractor's trailer and other items. The most damage that was done was to his trailer itself, which basically took off the front end and destroyed the construction porta potty. But the other incident involved our solar panels. The big tree that I had with the hunting stand on had fallen eastward miraculously, as you can see here, and just the very top of it happened to clip the last set of panels. And as far as I can tell, there's only 2 panels that will need to be replaced, but that has yet to be fully determined. So this is how we weathered our winter windstorm.